Welcome back. If you're dealing with Gmail freezing on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's go through some easy steps to get things running smoothly again. First, try refreshing the Gmail webpage. Just click on the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This simple action can often resolve minor issues. If that doesn't help, it might be time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Start by clicking on the three dots at the top right of your browser. Then, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that opens, make sure all the options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click Delete Data to clear everything out. Next, let's log out of Gmail and log back in. In the top right corner, click your profile picture and select Sign Out. Once you're logged out, sign back in with your email address and password, then click Sign In. This can refresh your session and fix freezing issues. If you're still having trouble, restarting your device can help. Press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn your device back on by pressing the power button. Sometimes the network you're connected to can cause problems. Try connecting to a different network by clicking on the network icon in the notifications area. Switching networks can often resolve connectivity issues. Finally, check your internet connection. Again, click on the network icon in the notifications area to see if you're connected and that your signal is strong. A weak connection could be the culprit behind the freezing. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Gmail freezing on your PC. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy emailing!